This video we discuss how to create a block down arrow in your computer keyboard using a shortcut method, that is alt code shortcut method. So either you must open your Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, and after that you can try this method. Let's go to your computer keyboard, and this is the number lock key. You must press this number lock key. Now we can see that we have enabled the number lock. The next step is that you can see an alt key on the left side of the keyboard. You must press and alt this alt key. It means that you did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 3 once. After tapping 31 you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, you can see that a symbol have been created. The symbol have been added, that is, this is the block down arrow symbol. So this is the method of creating block down arrow symbol in Windows computer, so using keyboard shortcut. So if this video helps you for more videos, you can subscribe and stay with our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.